close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, as always, welcome back. But if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I hope that you learn a thing or two, like I always say. So today guys, I'm going to be working on Hafsa's hair. Hafsa is my 6-year-old client, and yeah, it's always really nice to style her hair for her birthday. But today it's for her birthday, for a school occasion basically. But today is a different occasion. She's going to be a little bridesmaid, and we're going all out for her hair. She said usually her mom would not let her have extensions in her hair. She just wanted her to be a child. She believes that children should be children, and she just didn't like really do too much with her hair. We just like did the barest minimum. But for today, Hafsa says, Auntie Habiba, I'm gonna be a bridesmaid, and I want you to go all out. I want you to style my hair, and I want to look so beautiful like a princess. I say, you know what? Say no more. So the first thing we've done, as you can see from the beginning, was her hair. She has natural hair, and her hair had been washed prior to this. It was washed and conditioned and had like leave-in, because something to just soften the thing. So what I just did is I went in with my blow dryer, and I just like basically just blow dried her hair, because her mom is always very particular about heat, damage and stuff. So we don't really do anything serious when it comes to heat with her hair. Like we really like just work with her natural hair. So I just went in with the little heat that I can put. Of course, I already applied a heat protector to spray to her hair before going in with my blow dryer. So I just should like use my blow dryer to just like stretch the hair out and just make it look nice. And okay, so today we're doing an updo. I don't think I mentioned what we're doing. We're doing an updo with 2 bangs in front. So I've sectioned out the front part, and I'm just at the back trying to like pack the entire thing off so that we can do it. But and let me just say, as you can see, she's really excited about this hairstyle, and she's like, Auntie Habiba, I hope you're putting, it doesn't look like I can't see extension anywhere. I can't this, I can't that. Well, I said, Hafsa, calm down. You trust me? Yeah, I know, I trust you. I know you do well, but are you really going to do the style that I chose? Because I really want that. I'm like, don't worry, girl, just watch me work. Really, why she even filmed this whole process, it was her idea actually. Like she wanted to see what I was doing and just be sure, so she can revolt before we go too far. Exactly. So yeah, after I was done packing my hair up in a bun, I'm just smoothing out the whole thing. You know, like it's natural hair. You just want to go with a real nice gel. I've used the real nice gel that I like. That is that has a strong hold. It doesn't leave white cast. It's really good for natural hairs. It doesn't make your hair flaky. It doesn't do anything not nice. It just keeps your hair like it has shine and stuff. And I'm just like going in my like a hairspray. Nothing too serious. I'm not doing too much. Just little, because like I said, I want our hair to retain its own natural beauty. I didn't want anything flaky showing on the hair or making it hard, or I just wanted to like retain its natural look. So after I was done doing that, I've gone ahead, I created a little bun thing, like a little donut bun thing before this, and it's just little because I mean, she, like I said, she's a child, and her mom is usually not a big fan of something big, or she just believes that children should be children. So yeah, I just did a little bun, just little. I just created a very little donut bun for her, and I've attached that to her hair, and that will be the foundation to which the extensions, my fold, will be on. So then I've gone ahead and applied my extension. I'm going to be applying it one after the other, and I use this net, that very tiny net, to wrap the extension, so that way it helps me to be able to control the extension and it's not going all over the place. Like, it keeps it in place. I hope you understand what I mean. So with that, there's nothing to teach here. I think what you just need to do is you just need to use your, like, it's logic. Like, you just need to look for a way to just you're just going to twist it, basically look like a snake or spiral. Yeah, it's supposed to just look spirally. Just fold it however you feel like, or however you think looks good. That's all depending on what you're looking at. It's not, I can't tell you like, oh, twist to the left or twist to the right. Now that can be explained. It's just, you just need to use your own logic, use your own discretion. Is that word even right? I don't know. Yeah, but you get what I mean. Just use your instincts. Like, just think about it by yourself. Once you apply the extension, you see what I'm doing. I'm going ahead with oil sheen to just make it shine. And after I've done that, I'm combing it out, and I've gone ahead and applied the net, the really tiny black net that I was talking about. I've applied that. I've used my pin to hold it in place, and from there you just want to twist the hair. Basically, just, you see how I'm twisting it. I've twisted it. I'm seeing that, oh, it doesn't look like nice this way, and I'm just trying other ways. You just want to play with it. You just want to play around and see if it looks good to you. Yeah, then you go with it. But if it doesn't look good, you can, if you twist it to the left and you feel like, oh, this doesn't look nice, you can try and twist it to the right. There's no limit to what you can do. Just twist it however you want. Like, it all depends on you. However you see that it looks good, it's what you're looking at right now that you're going to be able to, like, oh, this looks nice, oh, this looks, yeah. So that's what I'm just doing. You just want to make sure, what I can say is just ensure that you cover the entire bun under. We don't want to see, nobody wants to know that you put something under. It's supposed to be an illusion. Nobody wants to know that, oh, you had to pack something under for it to look the way it looks. No, nobody needs to see that. And also the black nets that we're using to wrap the extensions, nobody needs to see that too. So you look for a way to make sure that you conceal them and they do not show. Make sure that you wrap the extension all over the donut bun that we've done and applied to our hair in the beginning. Make sure that it doesn't show. Make sure that everything is well covered. Make sure that the hair is well twisted. Like, it looks really nice. Basically, just make sure that you're doing the right thing. Twist it. If you feel like it doesn't look nice, take the pins out. The only thing I'm doing, I'm using pins to hold them down. When I see that, oh, I like how it's twisted, I just use a pin to hold it down. If you feel like you don't like it, take it down. It's just pins. Okay, so yeah, this is Hashim. So he came to see his sister, and yeah, just came to check her out. Oh, like, oh, your hair is nice. And I mean, of course. And then she's like, oh, you look nice too, like that. Yeah, so back to the hair. We're just still going in with pins. Still pins, guys. You're gonna need a lot of pins for this style. It's just pins and pins and pins and pins. I think this style shouldn't take more than 15 minutes, 20 minutes tops, and the takedown is like less than 2 minutes, because like I said, it's just pins. I haven't done anything, like you can see from the beginning. I basically haven't done anything serious on the hair. I've just been using extensions and pins, and that's all I've been doing. So now we're done with the back. I've twisted everything. I make sure that everything is covered, like the whole bun, nothing is showing. It all looks really nice. And now I'm moving to the front. So for the front of the hair, she wanted something slightly longer than her own hair, so we opted to add extensions to the front part too, because she wanted it to look long and twisted, and I mean, natural hair wouldn't be able to give her the effect that we're looking for. So I'm just going to cut some parts from the middle of the hair that I sectioned out in front, just to apply extensions, and then use our own hair to cover it, so that the extensions under the sewing lines does not show. Do you get what I mean? So yeah, that's what I'm just doing. I've gone ahead to like sew a part that I cut out in the middle of the hair. Like I said, I left hair at the top, I left hair under, and I left on the front part. So I just weaved a little part in the middle to apply my extension, just to give me that length that I'm looking for. And that's what I'm just doing. You just want to like use your needle and thread as usual. And she was asking me, and she said, oh, that's a needle and thread. I thought it was only for, are you a tailor? I'm like, no, Hafsa, like hairstylists to use needle and thread. She's like, for what? I'm like, to sew extensions on your hair. How else do you want us to attach that if we do not sew extensions, if we do not use the needle and thread? She's like, oh, that makes sense now. Yeah, children will always be children. Whenever I have my sessions with her, we're always talking and gisting, and I mean, there's no quiet moment with her. It's all fun. So yeah, back to the hair. And I'm just sewing the extensions to the hair and making sure that it looks nice, making sure that when I'm ready to use our own natural hair to cover the extension, that the tacking lines does not show. That we just want to make it as invisible as possible. Like, you don't want people seeing your dirty work. You just want to make it all look nice and well covered. So yeah, I'm just doing that. And yeah, we're still just, you see, our mouth hasn't stopped moving, we're just in. So guys, if you've watched up until now, and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Show me love in the comments, like my videos, send it to someone that you think might find it interesting. Like this is a very even adults can actually wear this hairstyle. It's not limited to kids. Adults can wear them, and you can go bigger since you're an adult. You can go bigger than that. Like we can use like a bigger size bun, but we're just using this small size bun because it's a small girl. Like I said, she's just 6 years old, and we didn't want to really do something so big and make her look like all grown than her age. So this is a very lovely chic updo style that you can use and wear for any occasion. Like you said, she's attending a wedding, she's going to be the little bridesmaid. It can be for a birthday, it can be for anything. Basically, it can be for anything, a photo shoot, or you could even be going out. It could be you can be going out literally and just feel like, oh, I want to wear updo, or I just want to do this. Yeah, you can do that like in 15 minutes and you're done. So yeah, I'm just sewing. I've done the other part. I've done the left part, so I'm coming to the right part now to do the same thing that I've done on the left part. You want to make sure that you use the same size of extension so that one part is not fuller than the other, or one is not looking, you get what I mean, swollen, or you just want to make sure that it's the same thing that you did on the left side that you're doing on the right side. So now I'm sewing my extensions on the right side and just making sure that it looks nice. And when we're done sewing that, we're going to just use our own natural hair to cover it so nobody sees my sewing lines under. So after I was done doing that, oh yeah, our phone died and we had to just do it all out of the camera. So I've done it. I've applied the extensions. After I was done sewing it, I went ahead and just like brushed our own natural hair out and just covered the sewing that I explained earlier. And this way, look, she had a little touch of powder and lip gloss just to make her look, the parts. And yeah, this is what she looked like when she was done. And let me just say, do you see how beautiful she looks? The hair, everything just looked put together. And we had to use this the bride wanted had to use this headpiece. And gosh, guys, can we just have a minute silence for this? Her dress is so beautiful. So everything from her hair to her dress to her shoe, everything, her bag, the jewelry, everything just looked really nice. And she's just taking videos with her brother, like I said earlier on, like see them looking at each other and just like basically like, oh, you look good. Yeah. So yeah, guys, we'll come to the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel after you watch it up until here now, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, drop a comment, show me love in the comment section, send this video to someone that you think might be interested in this style. And yeah, all right guys, until my next video, bye.